Hi everyone! In today's class, we have another Quickie Yoga workout. So our Quickie Yoga workout does not mean it is necessarily fast, but we make use of the time that we have for ourselves. So I hope you enjoy core crunches today. So we'll start at the top of our mat. Okay. You'll find Tadasana, grounding the feet. Okay. Then when you're ready, activate the zipper. Inhale, we'll reach the arms up. Exhale, we'll start to fold forward. Inhale, come up halfway. Maybe bring your hands onto your shins so that the chest can reach forward. Maybe smell my plant. As you exhale, plant the palms down and then we'll step back to a plank. Okay, and then you'll hold plank for 5 cycles of breath. So draw the belly in, navel presses in towards the spine, holding the zipper, bracing at the belly. Push away from the palms, so spread the fingers wide. And then you want your legs active as the thighs press up towards the ceiling. One more breath in. And then for this first round, we'll just go ahead and press back, downward facing dog. Okay, if hamstrings are not as cooperative yet, go ahead, bend the knees any amount, and then reach the tailbone back. Okay, one more breath in. From here, we'll shift forward again to a plank. We'll hold 5 cycles of breath. Drawing the belly in, pressing away from the palms. Maybe looking slightly forward. Lengthen the inhale. Lengthen the exhale. Okay, making sure your legs are active. So imagine you're holding or squeezing a ball between the thighs. One more breath in. And then from here, we'll push back, downward facing dog. Okay. And then this time, we'll bring the knees down. Okay. We'll sit down. Okay. And then we'll bring the legs in front. Okay. From here, okay, we'll find Navasana or boat pose. You'll hold on the backs of the thighs. Okay. And then find that effort of the chest reaching up. Okay. And then for this first round, you'll go ahead, rock back. And then you'll float your shins up. And then holding here. So notice if there's a tendency to round through that lower back. So we don't want that. So you want to activate the zipper as the chest reaches forward. One more breath here. Okay, and then from here, we'll start to release the thighs. Okay, let go. And then we'll start to lower down. Lower down, but you'll just hover. And then from here, we'll press up. Nice. We'll do this 5 times. We'll slowly release. Okay, let your upper back hover. And then we'll press up. 3 more. Inhale. Exhale, drawing the knees in. Last 2. Inhale. Exhale, coming up. So know that this is a lot of work for our core. Inhale. Exhale, come up. Okay, you can hug the knees in towards the chest for a moment. And then from here, we'll go ahead, step back to a plank. Hold here again for 5 cycles of breath. Pushing away from the mat. Lengthen the inhale. Lengthening the exhale. One more breath in. And then for this next round, you can bring the knees down. Maybe reach the chest forward. Hover. One more cycle. And then from here, pressing up. And then as you exhale, downward facing dog. Breathing in and out of the nose. Finding length again. One more cycle. From here, we'll lower down the knees. Okay, we'll sit down. Okay, we'll set up again for boat pose. Bring the legs in front. Okay. When you're ready, inhale, come up. Now, you always have the option to straighten out the legs, okay, if hamstrings are cooperative. Okay, go ahead 5 times. As we inhale, we'll start to lower down. Nice. For a low boat, exhale, come up. Or high boat or boat pose. Inhale. Exhale, come up. Okay. Keeping the core active, keep bracing. Maybe looking forward slightly or maybe towards the ceiling. As you come up, maybe play around with reaching the arms a little bit higher. See how that feels. Okay. One more round. Slowly come up. Nice. Maybe hugging the knees in. Lengthen out the breath. Okay. Plant the palms down. Stepping back to a plank. Okay, 5 cycles of breath, pushing away from the palms. Drawing the belly in. Nice, one more breath in. Maybe for this round, you play around with keeping the knees lifted. As you shift forward, bend any amount. Inhale, chest presses forward. Exhale, downward facing dog. Reconnect with the breath. One more cycle here. Okay, from here, we'll lower down the knees. Okay, bringing the legs in front again. One more round. Setting up for a boat pose. You can grab onto the backs of the thighs. And then when you're ready, activate the zipper. We'll slowly lower down. And then coming up. Nice. Now, as you lower down, belly has to keep bracing. And then keep reaching the arms forward as you come up. Okay. Don't forget to breathe. One last round. Come up. Nice. Hug the knees in towards the chest. Breathe here. We'll plant the palms down again. Stepping back. 5 cycles of breath. Pushing away from the palms. Know that that will really get the heart rate up. So use this plank not just to build strength, but reconnect with the breath. One more cycle. You can push straight back to downward facing dog, or if you want to incorporate the flow, go ahead, inhale, exhale, pushing back. Stay here for as long as you need in downward facing dog, or maybe at least 5 cycles of breath. And then when you're ready, we'll look in between the hands, stepping forward. Inhale, come up halfway. Exhale, forward. Inhale, we'll reach the arms all the way up. Exhale, hands back to center. Namaste. So I hope your core muscles or our belly felt that. I would like to thank you for watching. This is Ever Yoga by Jo and Daya, sharing everyday yoga for everybody.